Aaron looks like the Easter Bunny on a bull. I told you, Missy. I told you. Did I call it? I said. Somebody's not gonna finish. Come on.
Hey, you gotta finish it.
Never say die.
I need a cigarette.
Oh man.
Good job, Aaron.
Thank you. These damn skinny people can move.
For real, they were like going.
I know. Load of shit.
She'll get her work done fast.
You gotta hold it up.
I can't.
Here. Here, step in it. Just step all the way in it. Okay, step all the way in it. You gotta hop. Both feet. Yeah, yes. You gotta hop.
You got it, Sky.
Hold it up and hop with both feet.
Is she still trying?
All the way up. Hold it, wait. Pull it all the way up. And now hop. Hop. Good job, Liam.
She's got her dress. Don't quit, Sky. Keep going, Sky.